It is an engineering marvel, capable of patrolling the far reaches of the world's oceans for years without refueling. With a highly trained and ready crew of 5,092 aircraft aboard, providing unprecedented air power and intelligence, the modern U.S. nuclear carrier is the dominant flagship of our time. But providing the peace and security of the world's vast oceans has become far more complex and dangerous, requiring the combined strength and cutting-edge technology of the world's allied navies. Over 20 nations, 50 ships, and 200 aircraft will participate in a crucial naval exercise led by the mightiest ship in history. See how this global force will keep the sea lanes open, defend our shores, and bring our sailors home safely to their families.